Yes, people, what's happening, today I was going to show you Jellyfin and Emby panel I've made. It's a management panel, the resellers can have resellers, all that good stuff. Now, I wasn't going to sell source files, but the source files are up for grabs. It's just a simple PHP script install. Nice and easy, really. Upload it to your cPanel. And install, make a database, put your username, password, leave it as locals. You know what I mean. We can help on install as well, no problem whatsoever. Right, also, so all this can be rebranded and rechanged, and your resellers can have stores. So let me just show you whether in the store. So if you go to my store, press start. Obviously you've got your store name. You can add a custom domain. I'm not 100% sure how that works, to tell you the truth. It says here you need to add that there, but I'm guessing that would be your own domain. You've got your store favicon, your store logo. You can change it from dollars to all these good stuff here. Update currency, and then your currency will update, and then all you do then is press that, and you will give this link out here. As you can see, it's changed there. You can add categories, things like that. In a minute, I will show, here we go. So this is where you add products. You add your products here. Streaming subscription. If you want to list anything else, reseller account, showcase listing. It could be another service that you're trying to offer. So that's that done. So then we go back to my store. Obviously, I'm admin, so I can see all stores. You've got payment gateways. Enable Stripe. You'll put your Stripe details in. Currency code will be GBP for me. You've got PayPal configuration, bank transfer configuration. There's a ticket system as well, so you can open a ticket and it'll come to your thing. So let's talk a little bit about, no, in fact, we're going to go to services. Let's go to service. This is where you add your server. So it's just your server name, URL, API. Same for Emby. Server name, server URL, server API. Right then. That's that. And then obviously once you've added your service, it tells you your libraries there. Import users, Jellyfin, import users in your sync, deactivate, all that good stuff. Now, there is something I need to do, and I need to bring it back to where you just add your packages here. So your subscriptions here. As you can see, I've already made my packages. I do need to put it back in the thing to create it. But when you first install it, does prompt you to make it. So I'll fix it before I do anything with it anyway. I'll do it in a minute. So obviously press your server here. There you go. Username, bam, password. This is significant. You remember these because this is what's going to be made on your server. Yeah. And then as you can see, if you leave empty to enable all libraries, so if you don't press any of them, it'll leave it empty. Yeah. So let's go to settings. This is where you update the panel name, EP, your site logo, your site favicon, and then you can edit the home page, what it says on there, resend email. Me personally, I don't use it. Your TMDB API, so people can use the request feature. I've not enabled that. It does work. I have had it installed before. And then all the customers do then is when you create your Flex account, that creates their dashboard account, so they'll log in, and then they'll enter their search thing here. So i.e., let's go for Ted. Obviously, it's not going to find anything because there's no TMDB details, and then they'll submit that. And then that'll go into your content request. That'll come here, and then you'll pick that up from here, go and you give a question system, whatever. So, yeah. Nice, it's all automated like that. Just quick setup there for Jellyfin Emby, whatever. Yes, I've not really done nothing with that to kind of fix that. So it's not really, it's no good really that, to be fair. But yeah, you've got your product types as well. This is how you add, like, you can add your like say credits, credit/limits, screen subscription requires credentials. So how it'll work, that is, thing it'll categorise everything and everything. It's just basically for your store. So yeah, creating a reseller is also a thing. So you'll use the username, just make a random email, password. Obviously, you can enable what access to servers they get, the credits, allow reseller. There we go. And then that'll do that. And so yeah, I'm going to carry on working on it. It is fully set to go. Really, I can sell it as it is now. So yeah, I hope that ticket system as well. This is just your tickets. Yeah, as you can see, then you'll get a notification. So yeah, that's how that works. And then yeah. Yeah, all resellers tickets it goes to them, and then obviously they can create tickets and things like that. Well, yeah, I hope that's a good little understanding how the management panel works. Source files, I'm not too sure. Nobody's got a panel like this for what we're doing. So, you know, it is something that I'd be looking, I don't know, probably around £500 to £600. Obviously, you can resell it, whatever, as well. You can resell your source files on, you can edit it, you can, it's a good start for the resellers panel, and it's fully working. The reseller panel does fully work. Just let me show you the dashboard as well before I forget. So you've got your store activity here. You've got all your things here. And then you've got your Emby one here. Managing users as well. Sorry, I forgot to show you. Subscriptions. You can see, you can search. You can use the search. There you go. Search works. Expired. Active. As you can see, alt filters work. I don't know why it's done that, but okay. Oh yeah. One sec, let me show you again. I had a filter on. My bad. Right, so here we go. Let me show you. Expired. So yeah, as you can see, people, it's a bonus, and I am continuing to work on the panel as well. But yeah, but essentially, really, these are not a big issue, really. I just use a search, just ask your customer for the username, search it in, and you'll find them. So yeah, you can add packages, you can, server select the server, package, you can change the package, things like that. So yeah, people, if you do want to get the source files or you want to become a reseller, then yeah, please be contacted. Peace out.